Welcome to the Shortwave radio channel, and we are now going to tune around 3000 to 4000 kHz on the shortwave bands. So this is going to be interesting. First part has a little bit of aeronautical communication. There's some the 90-meter broadcast band. There's the second half of the band is pretty much the 80-meter amateur radio band. So we're going to tune around and check out what's there. Of course, we're going to comment on the signals that we encounter and hope that you enjoy the scan on the Kenwood R-5000 communications receiver. It is connected to my outdoor MLA 30 loop antenna.
One has been incredibly guilty of taking that so lightly. When you begin to realize that throughout human history, there have been temples erected to either God or gods that warranted some sort of worthiness that maybe only the high priest could enter into once a year.
3215 kHz is WWCR out of Nashville, Tennessee, USA.
We can talk to God right now. We can worship Him.
CHU Canada time signal.
CHU Canada, temps universel coordonné, 2h49.
2 hours, 49 minutes.
That is a very strong signal. Pretty amazing. I get it pretty much 24 hours on this frequency, but as strong as this doesn't happen that often. So I put myself in upper sideband, because I know that the rest will be pretty much upper sideband until the amateur band. So here we have Shannon Aeronautical Communications Volmet Station in Ireland.
Temporarily 05000 until 14000, here 1200 broken, becoming between 10000 and 1200.
And this is Gander, Newfoundland, Canada. A Volmet station, an aeronautical station giving weather observations in Gander, Newfoundland, Canada. And here we reach the 80-meter band. I'm going to switch to lower sideband for the rest. This is probably W1AW Morse code lessons.
Exact. Ça, il est fort sensible. Il y a des temps aussi que la nuit, ça tombait plus slow.
And this is French language local amateur operators.
I would talk to him, and he kind of run up and down out there on the west coast. And he used to broadcast me onto the CB band so people could hear it. Secure contact. Yellow Whiskey 6 November. George, that again? Young Ghana, actually. And of course, the FBI had to go track down that because it was so incriminating. Who imagines that the FBI goes chasing down for a simple diary? Oh, I think it stuff about the president. And his son called Frank. I've been 50 years in Florida now, so if you ain't told me no Yankee no more. Oh, yeah, you transplant the whole way. But tell me what his new name is, y'all. What? And that kind of thing. So anyway, that's the kind of numbers you're going to have in this. Getting better and managing the situation for sure. Let's see. We did the work thing today. There was definitely
The upper part of the 80-meter band in Europe has broadcasts that sometimes make it to North America. So if you hear a AM signal, there's of course some broadcasts band. It's a broadcast band, 75 meters, from about 3,900 to 4,000 kilohertz also.
feels good. And the sun's still off.
And that was the scan of the 3,000 to 4,000 kilohertz shortwave band with comments on the Kenwood R-5000 communications receiver. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.